Hello guys. So this is well, we spent the entire Tuesday class session reviewing the first part of the first 8 chapters, and I thought it would be too much time for us to spend like 3 sessions to review what we have learned from the last semester. So I decided, as I told you in the last session, and I'm going to upload a video in which I'm gonna review this remaining part of this review sheets. So you can do that maybe today or tomorrow or Monday, either individually or you can meet together to do this. Okay, so you can review this at your own speed. So you can bring your problems and concerns to our class on Tuesday. So we discuss the essence, the key points of these review sheets. Okay, so in that case we will save some time for the new information of this term. So this review sheet comprised of three pages, and we have covered the first page on Tuesday. So RJ was absent from this first session, so I assume you will meet with Abe or somebody to talk about this part. So this part you do that. Yeah. As well as one more thing. So after this video, I will mark the PN syllables for all these Chinese characters and phrases, and I will scan that and post it to these learning units in the Blackboard. So we can check these PN syllables, with whatever you found from the textbooks. Okay, cool bananas. Okay, so the second page, I believe, is the direction. Okay, so direction, I think I put that part of information in this assignment for the first week. Well, the directions is very important because in that case, if you know you will know how to describe a map and where some part is in a certain map. So which is very good. So direction, the first one, 北. I put another word 边 in the bracket, which means side, in the north side, 北边. For instance, in the north side of the library is a restaurant. 在图书馆的北边是饭馆. Okay, so this 北 individually standalone, that means one certain direction, like the north. But if you want to use it in a sentence, you should say 北边, make it like an adjective. 北边, the north side of a library, 图书馆的北边. Okay, it's not an adjective, but yeah, sort of an adjective. 北边. Okay, the first one, 北边. The second word, 南. Next one, 西. And next one, 东. Okay, so I also want to put the word 中. Okay, yeah, this word 中. Okay, as in also in this 中国. Okay, so which means central. Okay, so if you put it if you see the direction on the grade, you have north, south, east, and west. We also have the one in the middle. We call it 中 in Chinese. Okay, 中. And we also have this. Okay, 上下左右, which means up, down, left, and right. Okay, if you cannot see that clear, it doesn't matter, because as I said, I'm gonna scan this sheet of paper and just post it to the learning unit. Okay, after this. Okay, these are the words and phrases we normally use to describe the directions in Chinese. Okay, and moving forward, we have the family relation. Okay, these are very, just set phrases, set words, and there's nothing else to explain. The first one, 爸爸, which means father. The second one, 妈妈, which means mother. And then 哥哥, elder brother. 弟弟, younger brother. 姐姐. elder sister, 妹妹 younger sister, okay? 爸爸妈妈哥哥弟弟姐姐妹妹 okay? Next one, language. Okay, so now we've learned the names of several languages. The first one, 汉语 okay? 汉语 we can also call, which means the Chinese language, Chinese, okay? And sometimes we can call that 中文 okay? 中文 Zhong means 中国 Chinese, okay? And 文 literature, okay? The Chinese literature or just Chinese language. 中文 okay? Next one, 汉语 I'm sorry, 英语 English. Next one, 日语 Japanese. And last one, 法语 French. Okay? The first one, 汉语 Next one, 英语 Next one, 日语 Next one, 法语 Okay? You will see that the word 语 which means language contained all in these four names of languages, which is very common. Okay? Next one. We'll leave this for the class, okay? This adverb, the first one, 一起 means together. For example, let's do this together. 我们一起做 something, because this is adverb. It can be put in the front of the verb. 我们一起吃饭 Let's eat together. Okay? 一起吃饭 Next one, 都 means all. Okay? We are all Chinese. 我们都是中国人 Okay? We also put in front of the verb. Okay. Next one, the measure words. Okay? As I said, in the Chinese language, there has to be one measure word in front of all nouns. Okay? So, and most of the case, we have a certain set of measure word and nouns. And most of the case, we cannot change that. With certain nouns, we can use different measure words. We also use the same. The first one, 个. Okay, the measure word is first one, 个. Okay, so I put a simple sentence in the brackets, which is 你们班 your class 有 have 几个 how many 个 here is the measure word for American people 美国人 American people. How many American people are there in your class? So this is the translation of this Chinese sentence in the bracket. 个 okay, 个 can be used as the measure word for people. Okay, 几个人 okay, and well, 个 can also be the measure word for multiple things like 几个鼠标 mouse and 几个 well many things. So here the only thing you need to know is that for people. Okay. The second one, this is the last one of this row. 不 okay, 不 is the measure word for dictionary 词典 okay, 不 the first one, second row. 快 okay, so we learned that in the context of price, I think 几块钱 okay, $1 1块钱2块钱 $2 okay. Next one, 台 okay, a computer 一台电脑台 台 okay. Next one, the third one, 种 kind of, sort of. How much is this kind of apple? 这种苹果多少钱 okay, 种 this kind of pen. How much is this kind of pen? 种 the kind of. The fourth one, next one, 斤 okay, this means half kilo. Okay, we use that as a measurement, okay, in Chinese, talking about the weight of something, okay. 这种 well 1斤苹果 half kilo of apple, okay. 斤 Next one, the second last one. 本 we use that in front of books. 一本书 a book. 一本书 2本书 okay. 本 The last one of this row, the second row. 支 okay, we use that for pen. 一支笔 okay, 一支笔支 Okay, so I believe these are the measure words we have covered so far. Next one. Price. Okay, we have 块. The first one. We also have yuan. Okay, this is the equivalent of dollar in Chinese. Okay, $1 in Chinese means 一块 or 一元. As I said, 块 is much more informal, and yuan is more formal. Okay, but these two can be, replaced with each other. And the third one is 角. The next one is 毛. Okay, these means 10 cents or 1/10 of a dollar. Okay, 角. 角 is a formal word to mean 10 cents. And 毛 M-A-O 毛 is much more informal. Is more informal. 分 It's like the equivalent of 1 cent in Chinese currency. Okay, you can refer to your notes talking about this pricing. Okay, and next one, 一共 it can be used in the conversation when we buying selling things. Okay, 一共 means altogether. Okay, I want three half kilo of apple and 1/2 kilo of banana. How much altogether? 一共多少钱? How much altogether? 一共 okay, altogether. 再 means again, in addition. Okay, 再 在 okay. I want 1/2 kilo of apple, and then in addition, I want 3/2 kilo of apple. Okay, 我要1斤香蕉。再买3斤苹果 Okay, I'm reading the Chinese characters in the bracket. 再买 means again, in addition, 买 buy 3斤 3/2 kilo apple 苹果 Okay. Then next part, time and date. The first phrase 今天 which means today, okay? 今天 And next one, 年 which means year, okay? And then 月 and then 日 okay, 日 After 日 you will see a bracket in which you will see a different Chinese character. It reads as 号 H-A-O and this fourth tone 号 okay. Sometimes you can say the date of today is January the 20th of 2018, or in Chinese you will say today is 今天是2018年1月20日 Okay, you understand? 年月日 year month day. Today is 今天是2018年1月20日 Well, here 日 means day. As I said, the 日 can be replaced by 号 So you can say 今天是2018年1月20号 But 日 is more formal. Well, 号 is a little bit, well, we couldn't say much more, but a little bit informal. Okay, so this. And the last one of this row is 星期一 Okay, 星期一 星期 means 星期 okay, 星期 Monday. Okay, Tuesday, you just simply replace 1 with 2. Tuesday. 星期三 Wednesday. 星期四 Thursday. 星期五 Friday. 星期六 Saturday. 星期天 Sunday. Okay? And Sunday, we sometimes call it 星期天, or sometimes we call it 星期日. Okay? You just look back your textbook and you will find this part of information.